Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make blue cheese easy guide. Begin by heating pasteurized whole milk gently to the target temperature and add starter cultures and run it to form curds. Cut curds and drain whey while keeping temperatures steady, then salt and mold punctures for oxygenation. Move cheese to controlled aging conditions with 80 to 90% humidity and regular turning to develop flavor. Start by warming milk gently to the culture temperature and stir in your starter cultures and penicillium spores for blue veining. Add rennet and allow the milk to set into a firm curd, then cut the curd to release whey and promote even draining. Maintain gentle handling so curds stay intact, then transfer to molds and apply light pressing to shape the cheese without overcompacting the interior. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's black ice makes your car smell crisp and confident, which pairs oddly well with a cheese road trip or a grocery run for cultures. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab one if you want a clean ride. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. After molding, apply salt to control moisture and flavor, either mixed into curds or rubbed on the rind, using measured amounts for consistency. Once formed, pierce the cheese with sterile needles to create tunnels for oxygen, which encourages internal blue veining. Move the cheese to a cool, humid aging environment and turn regularly while monitoring texture, aroma, and mold progression until the desired complexity develops.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.